Hi, I'm Bridget Johnson, and I'm a graphic communications major here at UW-Stout. I've always been a solutions-driven and innovative person, so I thought engineering was a path I wanted to go down. But my love for art stayed persistent, and I was looking for that perfect major that checked all my boxes. And when I came across UW-Stout's graphic communications program, it really stood out to me since it is the technical production of art. A huge reason why I chose UW-Stout was because it is a Polytechnic university. In my classes for graphic communications, we are planning campaigns, we are on the presses working hands-on, we are doing color management readings ourselves. We're really not just being talked at, we're doers here at UW-Stout. My graphic communications professors at Stout are all heavily invested in our future. They all are willing to go the extra mile to prepare us for the industry, working hands-on with us in the labs, really just going above and beyond for us as students because they care that much. I think what's most exciting about graphic communications is just the impact it has on the world. Print is everywhere. It's in the grocery aisles of your supermarket, it's in your mailbox, it's in the retail stores that you are shopping in and all the print elements that you see. My advice to high school students, if you're looking for a dynamic career in an exciting industry, is to check out graphic communications. If you like taking marketing classes, if you like taking business strategy classes, as well as you're really into design and art classes in high school, you'll really like the graphic communications program. I'm Stout proud because I truly believe in this community. I feel surrounded by people that care about my future and are equally as passionate about the things that I am, especially in the graphic communications industry.